Setting up SSL for web servers, a complete guide. Securing your website with SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is a crucial step in protecting user data, gaining trust, and improving SEO. SSL encrypts the communication between your web server and client's browsers, preventing hackers from intercepting sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, or personal data. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up SSL on your web server, covering the basics, certificate options, and installation steps. Why SSL matters. SSL is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Modern web browsers now label non-HTTPS websites as not secure, which can deter visitors and damage your reputation. Moreover, SSL is a ranking factor in Google search results, so it plays a role in SEO performance. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a blog, or a business website, securing your server with SSL builds user trust and meets compliance standards. Types of SSL certificates. Before setting up SSL, it's important to choose the right type of certificate. Domain validated DV basic encryption, quick to issue, ideal for personal websites. Organization validated, OV verifies business identity, better for company sites. Extended validation, EV highest level of trust with green address bar, used by major brands. Wildcard SSL, secures a domain and all its subdomains. Multi-domain SSL, SAN covers multiple domains with one certificate. Free certificates like Let's Encrypt are also widely used, especially for small to medium-sized websites. Steps to set up SSL on your web server. Generate a CSR, certificate signing request. Use your server's control panel or command line to generate a CSR. This includes details about your domain and organization. Purchase or obtain a free SSL certificate. Submit the CSR to a certificate authority CA, like Let Encrypt, DG Cert, or GoDaddy. After verification, you'll receive your SSL certificate files. Install the SSL certificate on the server. This step depends on your web server type. Apache, edit your .nf file to include certificate paths. Nginx, update the server block with SSL certificate and key locations. IIS, Windows use the IIS Manager to install and bind the certificate. Configure HTTPS. Redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS to ensure secure connections. Use a 301 redirect or HSTS, HTTP Strict Transport Security, headers. Test your SSL setup. Use tools like SSL Labs SSL Test to verify correct installation, encryption strength, and potential vulnerabilities. Conclusion. Setting up SSL is a fundamental part of securing your web presence. It not only protects your users' data, but also enhances your brand's credibility and search engine ranking. With the availability of free and automated SSL services like Let's Encrypt, securing your site has never been easier. Whether you're managing a small blog or a large e-commerce platform, SSL is an essential investment in your website's trust and security.